vlog. I'm currently marinating in my self-tan. I did an everything shower. You know I'm a busy girl when I'm eating cake for lunch. Just kidding. I had like actual food like not that long ago, but this is the only thing available in my fridge right now. And are you joking me? To be honest with you, I just want to eat it. If it's as good as last time, this is like one of the best cakes I've ever had in my life. It's 5:26 p.m., which is honestly great. I thought it would be later by this time, so I'm glad that I've already got some stuff done. I had to wrap up some work today. I still have some work to wrap up, to be completely honest with you, so we might do that together. But anyways, we obviously need to pack between this evening and tomorrow. I just have a plethora of things that need to be accomplished. With that being said, let's go over our little to-do list. Once I rinse off my self-tan, I'm gonna tint my eyebrows. I need to do some work stuff, like I said. I need to set up my like out of office email, shit like that. I need to pack everything. So we're only gonna be gone for 3 nights, but it's gonna be 4 full days. And I am going to Cincinnati, Ohio. So the weather is kind of like weird this time of year in the Midwest. Like during the day, it's warm, but then in the evening it cools off, like you can wear a hoodie. So I'm definitely gonna plan my outfits very thoroughly to try to avoid overpacking, because if I don't plan my outfits, accessories and everything, I'll just end up packing a bunch of random shit like, oh, I might wear that, I might wear that, I might wear that. Like, no, I don't want to do that. I think while my tanner sits, I'm gonna edit my YouTube video, and then once I rinse it off, we will tint my eyebrows. By the way, I did do my nails. These are the nails that I've been wearing. If you guys have noticed, I got them from Amazon, but they're the BT Art Box nails. I can link them down below for you. They have like the gel, like UV curing adhesive. I don't even know if that's the right word, but like there's no like super glue or nail glue like with regular press-on. It's a full-blown UV light situation. These motherfuckers are on here. My last set was on for over 2 weeks, or maybe it was just at 2 weeks. I was really rough with them though. I need to put this freaking cake away, get to editing that YouTube video, because I am honestly procrastinating. Let's be for real. Yeah, let's lock in. Let's lock in. I literally blinked and now it's like 11:30. Am I done with my YouTube video? No, of course not. Of course not. When have I ever been done with a YouTube video in less than 10 hours? And yet every time I think it's gonna take less time. I don't know why it doesn't click. I like gaslight myself into thinking that I can really procrastinate. Like it really doesn't take me that long. We're just busy out here. We're just busy. I just hopped in the shower, lotioned up the whole body, about to lotion my face. This freaking moisturizer, I love this stuff. I don't use it every single day. Like I use it when I want like something really luxurious and like rich on my face. Sometimes I want like a different like lighter moisturizer. This is so fire. This is actually one that I typically will bring with me. This one or this one, but we'll see. We're gonna figure out the skincare situation tomorrow. As of right now, I'm just going to finish moisturizing my face using extra dextra moisturizer because I just self-tan and my skin's dry as fuck. And then I'm gonna get straight back to editing. I'm really hoping that I just like basically finish it tonight. Unfortunately, we still have a lot to do tomorrow, but it's fine, it's fine. I know for a fact I will always get it done, and that's all that matters. Glad I took this little break to rinse off my self-tan, do a little self-care, but now it's back to the old grindstone. So I'll update you if I decide to do anything else tonight, but most likely I'm just gonna see you guys tomorrow. Hello. Good afternoon. It is the next day. It is Friday. It is the day before I leave. Not only is it the day before I leave, but it is 4:06 p.m. I'll tell you what I did get done today. First of all, I was literally up till like 1 a.m. editing for YouTube. It's not done yet. I still have to finish the voiceover. I still have to add music to it, and then I have to do all of the LTK links, and those really do take forever. But in my mind, I'm like, okay, worst case scenario, it's most likely gonna get published tomorrow. So if I need to at the airport or on the plane, I can work on the links there, because that'll be something to pass time with. And that's also not something that I need to do right this second. Like that's something I can do later on and kind of like on the go. And I need to be real on top of my priorities today. Like I need to make sure the stuff that absolutely needs to get done gets done first. So I already posted my campaign with Walmart today. That was the last collaboration that I had to wrap up before I leave. So woo! Other than that, I just edited another post and posted. I've been doing like little odds and ends stuff around the house. I started editing for YouTube a little bit and I had to stop, and I was like, wait, I still need to clean the house. I still need to get gas for my car. I still need to pack. I need to figure out my outfits. I need to get my everything together. Okay, so like those are obviously higher priorities, right? With that being said, I'm gonna tint my eyebrows right now. Then I'm gonna go run to get gas. So I'll just do that, come right back home so that that's out of the way. I don't have to leave the house again. And then I want to jump straight into figuring out my outfits. That is one task that I really don't like to do last minute. Oh my gosh, if I'm gonna tint my brows, I cannot have this I'm gonna put my robe on. My self-tan came out good. I was a little bit concerned. Look at this little hair at the top. I don't even have time to fix it. I don't even care. I just used the little Godefroy. I don't know if that's how you say it. That's how I've always said it. I use that brand for tinting my brows, and I love to do it after I self-tan because for whatever reason, the dye from the brow tint and whatever chemicals or formula is in self-tan, it stains your skin. So not only is it going to tint my brows, but it's actually gonna stain the skin underneath, and it's gonna make my brows look so much thicker. You'll see. Actually learned this trick with like the self-tanning because I was watching a vlog. I don't remember whose vlog it was. It was literally over a year ago. And the girl was going to get her brows tinted. The brow artist, whatever you want to call her, was like, just so you know, this is going to stain your face. You shouldn't have gotten a spray tan before you came here. And then I started to think about it and I was like, maybe I should try that because that's kind of exactly what I want. It's what she's saying not to do. I kind of want to do it. When I take it off my lashes, I always just kind of like go like this, and then if that makes sense, I like blink around it because I don't want any of the product going in my eye. That shit burns, dude. You need to be very careful. Do you see the difference? Like, that's crazy, right? Hello, lashes. Lashes have joined the chat. Period. I came to my senses and I changed because I'm not about to go to a gas station in a cute little pink dress. That just, no, I can't. I'm not here for that today. Okay, let's go run our one errand outside of the house and get back to our Zoom because we gotta get going. Change of plans. My car literally just died. I literally don't know what happened. On the side of the road, called Mason. He literally came from work to me. He's now trying to jump my car. Like, the battery voltage isn't going up. I have no idea what's happening, but I guess I'm glad I'm dealing with this now, not tomorrow when we're on our way to the airport.
Our advisors look forward. Thank you for being a valued OnStar member. Our advisors look forward to helping you.
Girls, what the fuck? Okay, I'm back home. Mason literally just drove me back home because I was around the corner. I was around the corner from my house, girl. I literally barely got out of my fucking complex. Let me tell you what happened. I don't even know if I explained to you. My battery just shut off. Like, my car literally just shut off. It was like the weirdest thing. I was like, okay, maybe I just need to like start it again. Went to start it and it was like, no. Had Mason come to me, like from work, drove to me, no questions asked, jumped my car, tried to. Nothing happened. Like, the battery voltage, I can see the voltage in my car. It was not going up. Like, it would not charge. So the battery's fucked. Like, fucked. Anyways, I'm not with the car because I'm around the corner and Mason was like, listen, I gotta get back to work, but I'd rather you be at home. So I'm just gonna walk my cutie little patootie back over there in about 20 minutes because somebody is on the way to give me a new battery. That's fun. I was sweating dicks because I was wearing a freaking sweatshirt. But honestly, I'm looking at the bright side because this could have been so much worse. Like, if I didn't go out to like run those errands tonight, I would have had to be dealing with this on the way to the airport. And we would have missed our flight. We would have missed our flight and I refuse because no. This happened now. This happened today and it didn't happen tomorrow. It's getting handled. So that's that. As soon as we get the new battery in the old car, I will be finishing those errands and then we'll be coming back so I can finish the rest of the stuff I need to do. It'll be fine. It'll be fine.
That's all it was doing?
Yeah.
Fuel pump control module.
Oh no. What does that mean?
You're gonna have to have the car towed.
I wish I could scream in my condo without like terrifying my neighbors right now. I don't deal well with stress. That's one thing about me. Like, I do not deal well with stress. I mean, I guess I technically deal well with it. I look on the bright side. I handle my shit. You know, I don't freak out, but like, I hate it. I should just say that. I hate stress. I hate it. Like, it just sucks the energy out of me. Like, even while I was sitting in the car, like waiting for the guy to come for my battery, I just felt like a ball of anxiety. But I'm going to pick out some outfits right now because that's what needs to be done. We gotta keep it moving. We gotta keep it moving. Let me get the lighting. Let's fucking do this thing. Hello. I know for sure I want to bring my favorite low-rise denim jeans. We know them. We love them. Like, at this point, I'm not gonna try to do anything crazy. with the outfits. I think the smartest thing to do would be to pick outfits that I know absolutely eat down. The weather there is kind of weird. Like it's gonna be 80-ish during the day and then like 60-ish at night. Jeans I feel like are good. Maybe I should start in order. I need to keep my thoughts organized. Let's start with the travel day outfit. So tomorrow, typically we'll wear these cutie little gray, like Amazon skim stoop t-shirts. They just look so clean girl. And I like that vibe when I'm traveling with like the headphones and you know what I mean? I also have these matching pants. Should I just make it easy? Should I just wear the set? Yeah, okay. New Balance with the socks. Bra. I'm wearing a bra right now. Do I want to just bring a separate bra? Maybe that would make sense. Underwear. How am I literally like out of underwear? Like, what do you mean? We will have to do some laundry. That's fun. That's travel day one. I'm also probably gonna wear my blue light, like cute little cunty office siren glasses. Let's think of something else. My brain is like frazzled right now. So instead of making it think more, I'm just gonna go through my fucking outfit photos. Guys, this is what I do when I don't know what to wear. I literally go to my LTK and I look at my outfit photos. I could do like a Canadian tuxedo moment. I wore this the other night, but thankfully it just smells like perfume and not like cigarettes because I was at a bar. Awesome. I think I'm gonna go with my high-waisted Canadian tuxedo. Yes. Okay, I think I could bring these. I think these would look good. That's a full outfit. That's a sleigh. I really want to wear like my black athletic shorts. These still need to be washed, but I need to see them with the outfit to know that they're there, to know they exist. You know what I mean? I need to think about bags. I'm gonna grab my little Gucci bag because that I know for sure can get into NFL games. Here she is. My little black Steve Madden mini skirt. You know we love to wear her. I can wear this with literally any of my other stuff. So I think I'm gonna do this with like a cute little t-shirt, like something like this, or I could just wear my other white t-shirt again. Oh no, you know what? Cincinnati Bengals shirt, hello. And I'm thinking, hold on. Loafers with socks in this outfit. Like I don't need to try that on to know it's gonna eat. I'm gonna bring a pair of denim shorts just because you guys know I love these and wear them all the time. And this is like a staple for me. Like this will go with literally any of the other tops that I brought. This little vest just for something fun. Keeping an eye on this because I gotta go walk over there soon. I mean, I feel like all of that is good. Break from the pack. Also, I think we might actually be done, but I'm reading my book, guys. I'm reading my book because I figured I was gonna have to wait here a little bit longer and I didn't want to just sit here in the silence in the freaking dark like hello, so. Okay, I'm gonna start packing toiletries now. Mason's home, the car's getting towed, everything's Gucci. But I desperately need to clean this house first and foremost. Hello. That will be last on the to-do list. Like first I need to finish packing. I have this box full of all of my travel size stuff down here. So much stuff, it's like overfilled. Okay. Oh good, the box is breaking. That's a good sign. Keep it easy. Eye cream and a Fenty lip mask. I always have to go like in order of my makeup. Like I think of the order I do my makeup in my head, and that's how I pack my makeup. Otherwise I will inevitably forget something. Like right now I'm like, okay, I start with brows, I do concealer, I need my brush, and need my brow pencil. Alright, swatch. 4:30. The hair stuff. What do I need for my natural hair? I need to be glue. I need a little hair gel. So goodbye, scrunchie. I was legitimately gonna like curl my wig and like leave her in curlers overnight, but now we're taking my husband's car and it's like an old truck and it does not have AC, so like the windows are gonna be down on the way to the airport. So like not only will my blowout fail, that means my hair needs to be up, which means my wig needs to go in my bag, which means she cannot be styled with a million rollers in there. Like she's gonna be too big. I think I'm just gonna bring 2 rollers for my bangs, but other than that I'm just gonna bring a curling iron because I don't really know what else to do. I'm only gonna bring 2. I know. Happy?
Well,
okay, let's
yep.
get we have 4.5 pounds to spare.